to Big D's Wood Shop. Today I wanted to show you my brand new Grizzly GO555 bandsaw. It's a 14-inch bandsaw. My old Delta bandsaw, the motor burned up on it, and I just decided to go ahead and replace it. So I found this one was on sale from Grizzly, so I just opted to get it. It's basically the same as the Delta. It's a 14-inch bandsaw. It'll saw almost 14 inches from the blade to the throat. It'll saw 6 inches thick, and this one has a belt drive, but the motor is mounted to the saw rather than under the stand like the Delta was. I had a little bit of trouble with the Delta as far as vibration goes. I opted to keep my Craig Precision bandsaw fence because I really like it, and it's what I'm used to, and I just decided to keep it. I have the Grizzly bandsaw fence, so I think I'm going to try to sell it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or something. I'm going to try, see if I can get anything out of it. I really like the saw. As you'll see in an upcoming clip, I sawed a piece of ash that was about, I think it was 5 inches thick or something like that, and roughly about 14 inches in diameter. And it worked really good. I'm really happy with it. I wish it had more thickness, but I just couldn't go up that far in price to get one like that, and I don't really use it that often for that size thickness. I use it mostly for smaller rounds or whatever, making bowl blanks or whatever. But I'm really happy with it, and I'll turn it on for you here, and you can see it run. It has a tension off lever, though I leave the tension off of it. They recommend it, so that's what I do. So we're going to turn it on. As you can see, this is a lot smoother than the Delta. The Delta would jump all over. This is a lot better base. It's a lot better base. I had tried to put a set of workbench casters on it, and it didn't work out. I'm going to have to come up with something else. I don't move it that often, but when I need to, I need to, and I'm just going to come up with something. So that's about it. I'm real happy with it. I highly recommend it. It's on sale. This is November 2021, and they're running a special. I think it's like $749. I think it's like $50 off or $100 off or something. I don't remember, but if you're interested in a bandsaw, I recommend this one. I've only had it for about 3 weeks, but it's done everything I've asked of it, and I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I'm going to show you a clip of me sawing an ash blank. I'm doing this kind of out of order. I was debating whether or not to make a video or not, but I thought I would. And there's been a few guys ask questions about me, where I went and why I haven't been on, and just life got in the way with the pandemic and all this, and but I'm going to try to make a few videos here and there, and I just appreciate everybody watching, and I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and if I don't see you again, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Well, that was a piece of ash, 5 inches thick and about 14 inches in diameter. And it's kind of dry, it's only like 15%. The 1-horse motor makes a big difference. It mowed right through it like no problem. That's a big chunk of wood, boys and girls. Good the first try. Let's have some fun.